Kitchens sell homes, and the way they're photographed makes all the difference. Here, natural light keeps the space bright and inviting. Buyers see clean countertops, functional flow, and a lifestyle they want. Post-production refines the details. Yellow tones balanced, reflections reduced, granite softened to look natural. No fake HDR, just clean, authentic editing. For US and Canadian buyers, this is what sells. Bright, clean, functional visuals raise value and shorten market time. DM us now for editing that makes kitchens shine and listings sell faster.